Before we begin, a bit of history on oats and the oatcake. Oatcakes have been around for centuries. Even the Romans made them when they were here. They are considered to be the national bread of Scotland. In the olden days, every community had its own mill to grind oats, which were grown locally, and this would supply oatmeal for every household. Scots used to make large portions of porridge for breakfast, and then keep it fresh and flat in a kitchen drawer. Pieces used to be cut from the cold porridge, and along with fish and cheese be used as packed lunch, hence the saying, "Don't forget your piece." Anyway, back to the here and now. This is John Hogarth's farm in Kelso, in the Scottish borders. He is an oat miller. He has been providing nairns with oats to make oatcakes for 32 years. The summer is a busy time for Hogarth's. As the oat miller, he buys oats from local farmers who grow the oats on their land. Farmers plant their oats in the spring for a summer harvest or late summer for an autumn harvest. The fields around Hogarth's mill are very fertile, and farmers have been growing their oats and selling them to the local mill for generations.
Oats are hardy and do not need as much sunshine or warmth to grow as other cereals like wheat, rye or barley.
Scotland is a perfect place for growing oats as it is wetter and cooler, and oats love this. They are protected from the cold weather by their husk or shell. Once they have grown and been harvested by the farmer, the oats have to go through lots of tests to make sure they are just right for making oatcakes, biscuits and other nairns products.
The oats must be bright and golden in colour, full-bodied and sweet-smelling. When Hogarths are happy that the oats are perfect, they buy them from the farmer and the farmer keeps them until Hogarths are ready to mill them.
The oats are checked again when Hogarths come to collect them to make sure they are still perfect. They make sure that they have been properly dried and stored, not too wet and not too dry. Hogarths know which oats have come from which farmer. This is very important in helping them maintain high quality oats.
At Hogarth's, the oats are tipped into a storage bin. They then start the milling process. The grains are cleaned and any small amounts of weed, seeds, stones and straw are taken out. The oats are then steamed, kilned, which toast the oats, and cooled to bring out the flavour of the oat, before they have their shells or husks taken off.
Then shelled oats or groats are colour sorted. Then they are cut and either rolled to produce oat flakes or milled to make different sizes of grades of oats. These grades are pin-headed, rough cut and fine.
The oats are mixed with different ingredients and go through different machines which make them into the different products.
The oats are mixed with ingredients, and then they are baked, and then they are cooled.
And then they're wrapped, and then they're packaged and loaded into the lorry.
And taken to be sold in shops all over the UK. People of all ages love the oatcakes and biscuits and oat bakes that nairns make. They are really tasty and also really healthy too. Oats can help you stay fuller for longer. When eating at breakfast time, oats can make sure you stay full all the way till lunch. Oats can help keep your body healthy as they contain lots of vitamins and minerals. Oats can help keep your heart healthy and lower cholesterol. Oats can help you maintain a healthy weight as they are low in fat. Oats can help lower the risk of diabetes. Oats can help give you energy. Eating healthily can help you live longer, be healthier and happier. Choosing to eat food that is good for you will make sure you stay healthier from the inside out.